everybody, it's Bob from As Bob Sees It, and I know I don't appear on camera much, but I wanted to let you know what our plans are for 2020, and I want to thank you all for watching over 2019. We had some good times together, and we're going to do it again in 2020. For those of you following me on the Facebook group, Disney with Disabilities, you know I've got some medical issues that have to be resolved first. So I'm recording this on the 28th of December. On the 30th of December, I have to go in for some more surgery, and I'll need some time to recuperate after that. So it'll be a couple of weeks before we put up another As Bob Sees It. So I hope you bear along with me, and that you'll continue following in 2020, because we're going to do some great things. We're going to go ahead back into the parks. We're going to check out the resorts at Disney and Universal, and we'll do a couple of mini reviews, as well as cover a little bit of history too. I hope you all have a very good new year. Make it a better one than 2019 if you can. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Em, why don't you go get a drink? And while Emmy's out getting that drink of water, why don't you take the opportunity to give us a big thumbs up? That way, we here at As Bob Sees It Videos know that you care about what we're doing. And if you'd like to support us financially, you can do so over at patreon.com/asbobseesit. Every little bit helps, and you can do it for just $1 a month. If you'd like to see more of this kind of video, why don't you subscribe? It's free. All you have to do is press the red subscribe button. But remember, when you do press that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.